There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby sing on back.
Hello YouTube, what did I pick up? $33 worth of stuff on Amazon. A USB, what do you call it? Dewalt USB thingamajiggy. An inline fuse adapter. This is the Dewalt thingamabobber that I'm going to dismantle. And I got this device. This is a voltage regulator. Oh, it is a little box. Has that on it. Has a little voltage regulator. There's the top and the sides. What am I going to do with this? Well, I'm going to take this and wire it in line with this and wire it to this. Then I'm going to put two wires out here. Where's that going to go? That is going to go to the Barbie car. This is a Barbie car hack. So basically, the fuse actually works pretty good because we blew the other one. On the other, my brother-in-law put a Dewalt, a giant freaking Dewalt drill battery on. I think it was the flex fuel one, like 60. I don't know how many volts it was. Put that on there and blew the thing. So yeah, it definitely has a good fuse. So if I remember correctly, this probably needs to go like so, and this needs to go like that. I'm going to get all the stuff I need for it, stop the video and add to it and show you what I'm doing. So like and subscribe, check the people down below and enjoy. I'm going to pause this and add another to it. Hello YouTube. Oh, that's not the right wire. Yeah, it's a Barbie car hack. This is a Barbie car hack, believe it or not. That's what this video is. Hack the Barbie car. According to my schematics here that I made, that's the one in. And now the next video tells me the green one. Where the hell is this connecting? Come on. What could it be? Is this one? It's like this. And we will. The only problem you have with this, and when it's running, it vibrates. So the car vibrates so much that if you do, I'll find a guy's channel and put it in here. If it vibrates so much, this knob moves, so you gotta like secure the little knob on there. You gotta use a piece of tape. So this one, these are the power ones right here. Let me stop here. Hello YouTube. I skipped a few steps here, but basically I soldered the black and what's the white. I had to reverse the wires. There's it. Soldered the wires inside there. Basically took out the innards of this USB thing here. Replaced it with two wires directly soldered on here. Ran the wires to here. Ran the output here. This one, the red one goes to the white. The black goes to the hot one. There's a 30 amp fuse in there. And this is the adjustable thingamabobber. I have to tape this in place because it's a 12 volt thing and this is a 20 volt battery. So give it like 10 volts, whatever. Maybe 12. Who knows? I should test it, but I don't have a quick working tester. So too bad, so sad. So I'm gonna leave it like this. And basically I'm gonna plug it in, see how it works, and test it out in the Barbie car. I'll take a few pictures and snapshots and add it to the end. That's pretty much it. All these things are available on Amazon for like $33. So yeah, I'll add that to the next one. Enjoy. Keep going!